what it's supposed to look like, inspiration, what it actually looks like. Welcome to Gingerbread house making speedrun. Difficulty is high, stakes are high, the reward is probably low unless this is high entertainment for you. I got the idea to build this because I watched Forest Cabin Leads on Twitch, join her subathon. Hi Ruth. Shout out to her. You can follow her on Twitch and she has a bookstagrammer. They were talking about gingerbread house making and I saw one on sale. And it's a tree house. So I decided to go ahead and try it myself. But I have family members driving from the airport as we speak. So I kind of want to film this very quickly and have it as a surprise for them. Maybe I'm so maybe I'm not, but I'm definitely going to try to make this gingerbread house. This is why I have this dish. Look, it's wet. So the first base can be put down here. So perfect. It fits in the dish. The setup. The gumdrops are inside, okay? You get all these candy there in the bottom. And it's for decoration. And that's the wet table. Wet table, gingerbread pieces to assemble. And this is where the icing's gonna go. Massage the icing, which has been massaged. Now I cut it on the side. And I pour it in this. I did massage it. In architecture school, we do build models. So I feel like it should be fine. Everything is cut. Except we don't really decorate models. It's very minimalistic things. But I hope that all the architecture model of buildings making is gonna come to me, you know? I should be able to speed build a gingerbread house, right? It should be simple as that. This is the glue and do the rest, you know? It'll be fine. Okay, that's good enough. There's a bunch of icing left, but I think what we're gonna do, I'm not wild about icing, so I think that's fine. We'll snap some pieces apart. All the pieces are being snapped. Sorry, I snapped them on camera. I do not have a 2-camera setup today. Again, family things are happening. It's not only a house, it's a street house. I went, again, extreme difficulty. Okay, so we need to zigzag this. Zigzag. I think I did a hole too big. Zigzag. This is not zigzagging. Okay, listen. It's gonna be not zigzag. There's gonna be some and in the bottom. Oops. I'm not wasting ice now. That we not doing. Not in this house. Put it here. And put it here on the zigzag piece. Oh, at the tip. Parallel. Okay. Let's do the same here. I know this is zigzag on this, right? It's not though. I know you're gonna say not using smart. It is from my model making experience. So put it on the piece that has it and on the piece that's receiving the thing. It's just a more stable structure. My opinion. In my humble opinion. It's not an instruction, but I'm putting some on this side too. So when it stick here, it's gonna do this thing. Now the other house. Got a zigzag, which I have been failing miserably at. We're not zigzagging. We doing a straight line with optimism. I have to hurry because family members are coming and I would love to share out the results and it'd be a surprise before they get here. I'll clean it up after. The back of the zigzag. Ooh, I forgot to put this bottom ice. I wash my hair before doing all of this, before y'all worry. But I know y'all gonna say, hey, do people actually eat these? I don't know. That's a good question. I would think so. It's a waste. It's edible. I think it's you go ooh ah the first days, and then you eat it. At least that's what we're gonna do, probably. So that's the base. Now we have to do the second bottom, the one that goes on top of this. So we put this on the side. Good thing we have a big enough dish. And we're gonna do the house pieces, which I feel are like not super clear on who's who. I'm guessing it's this from my knowledge that this might be. So I'm thinking it's these a little bit and this like this. I think this needs to sit on this and go like this. It's not really clear. It can't do this. It has to stick. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It has to stick like this. But I would expect it to stick exactly. That's why I thought it was this. It's not clear. It's not clear. Okay. Solution found. I know. Had to Einstein my way out of that one. Can you tell it's my first gingerbread house or no? Can you tell? Like, I would just do this with a knife, to be honest, and a piping bag, but I guess it doesn't feel like bacon if it's not a piping bag. Like you gotta make it a bacon thing. Like a spatula. A spatula would be nice. See, that's why I'd be like confused. Because they're nice. It is kind of nice to say. Because if it was thick, why would it be nice? It's weird. What do I call this video? Gingerbread bread cake, gingerbread house speed build. I don't know. I don't feel like I'm going that fast, to be honest. Let me do the rules. It doesn't even tell you. That's what tell you. They know they make a mistake. They just skip. They themselves was like, I don't know which piece is which, so they didn't put a number on it because it could have been hidden in the back, you know. Honestly, I think I'm going this fast because of the experience of building models. Because if not, I think it would have not been as nice. This is for the speed I'm going. It's very nice. It's been like what, 12 minutes maybe, and that's from the time of starting to film and setting up everything. So I think I'm going pretty quickly. Surprise! I did this while y'all was gone. This while you went to the airport to pick up more people. Try and get it like symmetrical and on the thing at the same time. Perfect. Please let me know in the comments how you think I did. If you do this often, do you have advice for me for next time on what to do to make it better? Besides not being a rush. Okay, it says we need to pipe this and then put it on top. I will, because if we are not icing, it won't be on top. But I'm scared to decorate this on top. I would, if this is our architecture model, I would have done it like that. I would have put it on top, and I'm always icing. I would put decorate first and attach last. But this says decorate, attach, then decorate. But I'm thinking it's for us not to waste icing on the decoration, which makes sense. This is a pretty sign. I think so. It's pretty sign. There's like steps to get up the treehouse stick. Honestly, I want to taste what this tastes like. So some of these pieces not getting stick, because we're not doing all that, not getting a reward for it. I don't think we need all these steps, to be honest. So it's cool. You can do our security step here, just in case. The snow on the steps, that's more realistic. Because it's a circle. At least I built the house. I'm just putting it in the front because to me all this work don't make sense if it's not gonna be seen. I'm painting a door in the middle with brown icing. So that's the door. That's the window. Out a bit with the snow. Okay, wow. Decoration like here. Make it look nice. Something in the bake. No door, just a window. I think we should have a door. It's a fire hazard not to have an exit door on the back. There's little Christmas lights stuff as well. Nice. To the roof. It's like not too cool. Like some snow there, but there's still like grass, you know. It's not a place that snows often. Let's put a doorknob. I don't like it. And that's it. Window details, the doors, the snow, and the grass. That's the tree house. Gingerbread house. I think I'm gonna put some of the Christmas lights on top. This is my first gingerbread house, so be planning on how I did, please. I think for me, grading my own self, I did pretty good. Apparently it's just basic. What it should look like, what it actually looks like. Finale. I think I did good. I'm leaving it there. Let me know how I did in the comments, and if you ever done a gingerbread house build or even made a gingerbread house from scratch yourself. Love to hear about it. Thanks again for watching until now. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to take care, and until next video, bye.